name is Malik.
My name is Xavi.
My name is Cristobol.
My name is Roberto.
My name is Lorence.
This is our story!
And it's called The Adventures of Bedell. Hi, I'm Bedell the Blue Labrador, and I'm funny, I can grow really big, and I'm a little bit controlling. Once upon a time, this super cool but kind of scary but ultimately pretty rad thing happened to me and my planet, and I'm going to tell you about it right now.
Hi, I'm the planet Pluto. I'm just like Pluto, except I'm blue with weak gravity. They say I stink, like rotten eggs, and dog breath, and rotten blueberries, and blue cheese, but that doesn't really hurt my feelings.
Hi, I'm Bedell, and now I'm 7, and I live in the south of Pluto. It's just a normal day, and I'm running around and enjoying all the beautiful smells. I'm Mr. Drillfinger, and I'm mining for diamonds. I'll drill through the core of this planet right here with my finger.
Oh, my core! I'm exploding!
What am I gonna do? I want to replace my planet, but I'm only 7 years old.
We're disembodied blueberries, and we're spilling radioactive blue jelly. Blue jelly.
What's this sticky stuff? Kind of looks like jelly, and it's making me feel really weird. Wow! I have blue beam powers coming out of my hands. I wonder if I can use these to fix my planet. Did it work?
No, the drill was already too deep. I think trying to fix me is going to be too much. I'll float to another planet.
Hello! Welcome to Earthatron, where we adopt broken masses from other flow-broken planets.
Thanks for taking my remaining mass.
But I've been at this for 13 years, and now I'm 20. Oh, fixing Pluto was just too much. I guess I'll just drift around space at exactly 25 kilometers per hour and find some people to save. Hi, can I seal up your cracks?
Yes, please.
Oh, I did it!
Thank you, Bedell.
You're welcome! Can I help?
Yeah, right there. Oh, yeah! Thank you.
No problem!
A small asteroid caused an extinction event.
Well, I can fix that. Thank you! No worries. Wow, I'm just the coolest dog in the galaxy.
Mr. Drillfinger, you are hereby arrested on your home planet, Elysa, in violation of Article 2A, subsection 7C. Any last words?
Just because I didn't have a drilling license?
For Rizzo.
Aw, man.
The end.
Are the